All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about advertiser slash sponsorship disclosures. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, all your favorite YouTubers are sponsored or in some way supported, most of them anyway. They've got, if they're a decent sized channel, they're probably getting at least free stuff from certain companies. Now, I do my best to tell you when I get a tool from a manufacturer for no money. I don't always, not on purpose, it's usually just I forgot to say it in the video, and when I'm editing I don't think about it, so I don't think to put a, notice in the video that I received it for free. Now, as of this point, right now, no one pays to be in any of my videos. If somebody paid to be in one of my videos, it would be an ad at the beginning or end of my video, not a product placement. It would be, in your face. I do that because I want everyone that watches my channel to understand that I've gotten that tool for no money. Nobody pays me, but I do get free tools. Cool for me that I get opportunity to test out new tools, and I do my best to talk about it, use it for a while, review it, and give you my thoughts on it. Regardless of the sponsorship, I want to tell you the real deal. So, in case you don't know, and this video, and by the way, this reason this video came up is on my ULSA Tools ratcheting wrench video. Somebody asked, did they send these to you? And I answered in the comments, yes, they sent them to me. No, I'm not being paid. And it's a legitimate question. I'm not going to lie to anybody. I'm doing my best to tell you when I get something sent to me. So yes, those ULSA wrenches were sent to me. The O-Light was not. I got that question in that video as well. I've actually been contacted by the company because of that video, and they're wanting to send me stuff. But this I paid for. This was bought off the Mack truck. So I want everybody to understand I do my best to disclose when I've received a tool for free. Like, I'm sponsored by OTC Bosch. So when you see an OTC Bosch product in my video, chances are they sent it to me. Same with Milwaukee. I, picked up O-Light. I've got Mueller cups. ULSA sends me stuff. I've done some other smaller companies, but here's the thing. When I'm talking to a prospective company that wants to send me tools, if they want me to basically lie to you and say, oh yes, I bought this tool, I chose to buy it so I could show you how great it is, I decline those every time. I've had multiple companies want to send me tools, or they have you buy them on Amazon and they reimburse you after you do X number of videos with it, etc., etc. I'm not going to do that. If I think a tool is worthwhile of me spending my money on it, I'll just buy it. I don't want to, when it comes to that kind of stuff, I do want to disclose to y'all that I received that product for free. If they will not let me say I got this tool for free, I really don't want to be associated with them, because guess what? Then I'm basically lying to you. You're going to figure it out, and I lose my credibility, so it's not going to happen. Now, if any companies want to send me stuff, and happy to tell them, say I got the tool for free, come on, send it. I got no problem with that. And if it's crappy, I may not even do a video on it. If I get a tool that's so bad that I don't want to do I don't think the company should want me to release a video on it, I will communicate with them and tell them this is junk, I'm not doing a video on it. But it's only happened one time. And it was a small Chinese company when I was first starting out. And I literally straight up told them, this is a piece of junk, I'm not doing a video on it. And I didn't. So I hope you all understand my stance on sponsorships. Help me get content out to you that is useful. It helps me not spend a bunch of money on tools, you know, because some of those tools that come out are, you know, I want to help you make a decision that whether or not to buy them. So either I'm going to have to buy them or they send them to me, but one way or another, I want to test them so I can give you a review and you know whether or not to spend your money on them. So I hope you understand my whole stance on sponsorships and free tools and doing my best to disclose to y'all that I got them for free. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, because that's why hopefully you subscribe to me. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.